तेरे बाप ने तुझे कूटा क्यों नहीं?
पर माँ और बाप दोनों मार डालेंगे।
He's running a $4 billion company, guys. He knows his shit.
हम भी बना लेंगे।
Question is, what's in that folder? Is anything there, or are you guys just writing notes to?
Aman, this you have to answer and be honest. I know what was in Aman's folder.
Okay, what is in Aman's folder?
No, so but initially I never used to write anything. Then I saw these guys writing the whole notes and the full page is this thing, and I started acting intellectual and I started writing some things. It was mostly the sign or cross and knots or boring pitch में कुछ लिख रहा हूँ.
I don't know why. I think I just got an insight into what you must have been like during exams, Aman.
तो सब नोट्स बनाने और मैं ऐसे बैठा हूँ तो ऐसा लगेगा लोगों को मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा, तो मैंने भी नोट बनाना शुरू किए बीच में.
I think
लास्ट में आते आते मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मेरे नोट्स का कोई फायदा नहीं है, मैं बिल्कुल टाइम निवेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैं पेन घुमा रहा हूँ और कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. एंड देन बिकॉज ऑल दीज नोट्स आर द सेम नोट्स व्हिच इफ आई एम राइटिंग दे आर राइटिंग द सेम नोट्स, सो you can just take a photocopy, right? That's what happens in exams.
See, now the beauty of this answer is that there are what now 17 18 episodes, I think 30 episodes in the season.
Yeah.
There are 12 more episodes. Now I cannot watch the show without imagining what you are writing in the
really.
notes.
I
see you scribbling and giggling. I know he's drawing something.
Namita, आप किस चीज से relate करते हैं? That is the question from Instagram. So
I don't want to give feedback. I don't understand what you're doing, so I'm out.
So please tell us what you relate to.
सालो तुम लोग है ना अटेंशन पे नहीं करती हो. मैंने सालो 25 डील की है, उसमें से 5-6 फार्मा और हेल्थ केयर की है. मैंने कॉज रिलेटेड किए, इतनी मस्ती वाले किए, अंडरवेयर में पैसे डाले, स्नीकर्स में डाले. That one, did you see that one? There's Pharma and then my photo laughing like a mad woman, and then there's Rajma, Upma, Shawarma and Korma.
I have to ask though on that note, like, are you all enjoying the memes being made on y'all? Because you are constantly
Yeah,
We are sharing
we
it
love
also.
We love it.
like I'm seeing we are seeing some really like bizarre ones, like really beautiful ones, and all you guys are like, I think that's the best thing is that y'all are actively sharing the memes also. I saw your post where you were sharing everyone's videos. You're also constantly sharing memes. It's very nice following you guys on social media also for that.
Yes, sorry, Namita. Yes, you had something to say about the fame thing also.
It's actually very tragic for the women, because earlier we could just be ourselves at airports and public places and, just put makeup for stupid shows like yours. 11:15 को कौन foundation लगा के बैठता है, right? We could just be ourselves. अभी तो जाके airport पे, people take photos और हमको बुरा लगता है कि they will be like, ये वही थी जो screen पे है, because we look so crap without makeup and with our hair not done. That we actually have started wearing those big sunglasses and big masks so that people don't recognize us because we look pretty.
Namita, are you ready for people to come up to you and say, "Ma'am, एक बार I'm out" बोल के दिखाओ ना.
अच्छा, मैं आपके लिए बोलती हूँ, ठीक है? Give me 30 seconds. I'll pitch in 30 seconds. क्योंकि मैं फार्मा से हूँ. Oh, and by the way, पुणे के फार्मा से हूँ. क्योंकि इसमें मेरा एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है और मैं इस प्रोडक्ट से रिलेट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. इस वजह से I'm out, but I wish you the very best.
Yes, that's mine.
Yes.
That's the main thing. That's mine.
That's mine. I have one more question from Instagram. This one is for Aman. Aman, how will you feel if someone starts a company called Earphone and starts selling boats?
Shit.
Good question. Good question.
I don't know, man, how to answer this. But, yeah.
Great question.
That is एक वो picture में बोलता, that is a good question, but your question confused me. नहीं, that your question hurt me.
Your question hurt me. Yes.
Your question hurt me. That is a good question.
ये भी बता दे कौन से मूवी का है?
अरे वो तन्नू वर्ड्स मन्नू.
He's a
He's like
treasure
a Bollywood encyclopedia.
Every
you have
episode
a lot
I
of
see.
lines just ready to go.
He's writing something right now as
He's
we
writing
say.
notes.
Okay.
He's writing notes.
Oh, I was just making some weird thing. That's what I do when I make notes.
all arrows pointing towards Prathamesh.
So they gave the notes book later on, उन्होंने सबकी नोटबुक्स दी कि देखो क्या लिखा है. तो नमिता का पूरा भरा हुआ है, ये भरा हुआ है, मेरी वाइफ आई, ये तुमने अपने सिग्नेचर इतनी बार क्यों लिखे हुए?
Which investment do you regret? Let's go.
Tanmay is just getting straight to the beat. What are your
That's
regrets?
more fun because otherwise this is really sounding like a UN show rather than a What is your name? Mojo Rojo Show.
The Mojo Rojo show. So far, I would like to point out it has been called stupid shows like yours and Mojo Rojo show. Have you, over the course of shooting, ever actually met Ranvijay? How is he?
He's awesome.
Do you guys ever interact? Because I feel really bad
Yeah,
for
yeah.
him. He's always there separately on the side.
We hang out together. He's a great guy, fun guy to be with.
They hung
And
out 3-4 times.
after the show, he's like, ये पिक्चर चेस में मैं पैसे डाल दूं, मैं भी डाल दूं. हमने पागल है. हम पागल है. इतना negotiate किया है, इतना लड़े, और तू कह रहा है मेरे को भी थोड़ा दे दो, मेरे को भी थोड़ी allocation दे.
I have a
Yeah,
question
and
for
then,
you guys. I didn't see a lot of tech app based pitches on the show. Why do you think that is? That you guys saw, like, was there a need for diverse?
I don't know, पास में अभी तक कौन सी दिखाई? अभी कल दिखाई ना वो IoT की pitch थी that.
Livestock wali with the livestock
Yeah.
management.
Mm.
Even the Tinkerbell's one, the blind device,
Yes.
that had a
Yeah.
very strong tech angle to it, which was brilliant. So that's why we all invested in it.
No, tech तो मतलब wafer बनाने में भी लगते हैं, वैसा tech नहीं.
There was-
You know, like, you know what I'm saying. I think Aman got it. Okay, got it.
Nee, I also got it, huh? But
What?
No, but you tried to make it.
Wow,
You
Tanmay,
tried.
wow.
I was pitching
Wow.
it. I was pitching the question to Aman. So that's-
समझ गई मैं तुझे तन्मय. मैंने भी बहुत टेक कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट किए, ओके?
मैं पुणे का नहीं हूँ, फिर भी आप समझ गए मुझे.
जब भी अगला तू मेडिसिन मंगाएगा ना, तेरा बस 10 खाली स्ट्रिप आने वाले हैं.
And I'm not that kind. मैं उसको खाली स्ट्रिप नहीं भेजूंगी, मैं उसको बोतल में कुछ और भर के भेजूंगी.
नमिता भी like, आज मैं तेरा फीवर नहीं उतारती हूँ.
मैं अपने दवाइयों से बदला लूंगी तन्मय पर.
Man, Tanmay is not going to open any package from Pune for next 1 year. Like, look at it suspiciously.
Shows पे he won't show up only for the shows. तन्मय कहाँ है? स्पेशल डिलीवरी के वजह से तन्मय could not show up for the show.
Manufactured in Hinjewadi. Baba,
Bye, 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 bye. नहीं चाहिए बाबा.
Manufactured in Pune.
मतलब किसी special guest like Mr. Ratan Tata would be nice for an
Like
episode.
just an
you know?
episode.
Like things like that, right? Like
That will
some-
happen, I feel. As the
अरे वो
series
लड़नी,
go
वो
by.
30 लाख रुपए के लिए लड़ेंगे हमसे.
I think to win one deal, Mr. Ratan Tata can buy everyone in the set. Okay, सिंह तुम सबकी कंपनी खरीद रहा just to get this deal done.
नहीं, आप सोनी टीवी का ओनर कौन है? मैं सोनी टीवी.
मेरा 20,000 करोड़ का बिजनेस है, हम भी बना लेंगे.
हम भी बना लेंगे.
That face is the face. That's the perfect face.
That is the face. Like you should, Aman, right now, like Boat Lifestyle should be selling T-shirts that say "हम भी बना लेंगे." Like, please.
True.
Like, they
ऐसे नहीं,
absolutely
ऐसा होना चाहिए.
हम भी बना लेंगे.
We trying to watch Shark Tank.
This Tanmay must have made it and put it on LinkedIn.
I know I've been going back and forth with Sony Live on Twitter on DM, okay? Because I've paid for the app on my phone, but I still see ads. I'm irritated.
You know what? I'll pitch my personal ideas, which got rejected thoroughly, but I'm going to pitch it to you guys because I will never get a chance to do this, okay?
Oh my
When I was 18 in college, I came up with this idea, okay? And sharks, can I please pitch, okay? So many times- Yeah, come on, y'all are, like, give me one of those, those welcome smiles and nods, guys. I'll just, so sharks, how many times have you dropped your pen and felt too lazy to pick it up? Many. Which is why today I have come with a unique solution. I have come with a brand new idea called Bungee Pen. It is a pen tied to a rubber band to your hand, wherein if you drop it, like a bungee cord, it bounces back into your hand. And on that note, Shark, yeah, I will need 100 crores for 5% of my company.
Right now.
ए तेरे बाप ने तुझे कूटा क्यों नहीं? ये कैसा बचपना है? बेतुकी बातें कर रहा है.
Oh
हम
my
सब
God.
अपना धंधा छोड़ के यहाँ बैठे हैं, तो हमारा वक्त क्यों बर्बाद कर रहा है?
नमिता को सुन के मतलब एक वहाँ चंडीगढ़ में रोडीज की लाइन थी, वहां से भी लोग निकल गए. मतलब वहां से भी लोग निकल गए. एक 10 लोग इंडियन आइडल ऑडिशन से निकल गए, 10 लोग रोडीज
I
ऑडिशन.
want to see this Namita on the next. I want to see this.
This is scaring me because if this Namita exists, that means a really sweet Ashneer also is there going around and smiling at people.
I'm going to swap my choices, okay? My
Namita is
favorite
going
is
to
now
remove
Namita.
gun.
Ashwin.
Leave का बटन कहाँ है?
Groover is
Leave
gone.
का बटन किधर है? Leave का
नहीं
बटन.
नहीं नहीं, मुझे
मैंने
लगता है
swap कर दिया है. I'm sorry, जब साहिल के बाप को कूटने की बात आई मैंने फ्लिप कर दिया अपना चॉइस.
Finish.
What a
I've
great
done my due
response.
Next
diligence.
season, that was
साहिल
brilliant.
को कूटने की बात हुई तो
I think
फार माँ और बाप दोनों मार डालेंगे. सबका
Love
बदला
it.
लेगा तेरा नमिता. Oh God, so
Oh,
great.
man,
I'm
this is-
glad I have not started a company because that was a fantastic response. Thank you. I appreciate it.
And Rohan, what would Ashneer say?
भाई ये तो बोलते ये तो मतलब दोगलापन है मतलब ठीक है एक तो सीधा ये एक साइड से बोल रहे थे कि मतलब बाप ने कूटा क्यों नहीं और फिर अब ये बोल रहे कि इनमें जज्बा है तो मतलब ये तो इन दोनों के बीच में दोगलापन हो गया ना मतलब ये कुछ नहीं है मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ आप घर जाइए आप ये छोड़ दीजिए और मतलब सुधर जाओ ठीक है सुधर जाओ वो न मर जाओ.
सुधर जाओ. सुधर जाओ.
We are, I think, done for today because it has been a delight talking to you guys. It's been tremendous fun. Namita, Aman, can I please first of all just say thank you so much for doing this.
Yeah.
To
was mad
genuinely thank you and congratulations for Shark Tank India. बहुत कड़क show है. It's been a
Yeah.
ton of fun. I don't just mean from the perspective of the memes and all of that. You've seen us making fun. You've been great sports about it. But you need to know that a lot of people genuinely just love watching this show right now. I think that is for sure. On that note, we wish you all the best. We hope to see you back here for season 2. Once again, Sharks, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks,
अलविदा.
guys. Please
ये
keep
हमारे
making
लिए
us
lifelong
laugh.
learning रहेगी.